Looking for a nice place to stay in Halifax that's in the center of all the action?
Today we're going to look at the Sutton Place, a newer hotel in the city offering you a place to stay that's near major attractions and event venues. We're going to take a look at the room, amenities, location, and other aspects of the stay at the Sutton Place Hotel.
If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more Halifax hotel reviews and travel content. Let's start with the location.
The Sutton Place is part of Rogers Square, which has the Nova Center, a busy convention center, a couple of restaurants like Gahan House and Chop Steakhouse, which is actually the hotel restaurant for the Sutton Place. Plus, there's a liquor store in Rogers Square, which will offer you better prices than those you'll find in your in-room mini bar, which we'll go over in a moment. This hotel is also within walking distance to the Scotiabank Centre, a popular concert venue and sporting venue, with basketball, lacrosse, and hockey games regularly available to watch. During our stay, we made the 3-minute walk to see the local Halifax Mooseheads play. The Sutton Place is also roughly a 5-minute walk from the Halifax waterfront and Citadel Hill, as well as a 9-minute walk to the Halifax Central Library and Spring Garden Road, a popular shopping area in downtown Halifax.
The entrance to the Sutton Place can be easy to miss. It's located in Rogers Square on the side opposite the whale statue and near the parkade. When we arrived, the entrance was blocked by a couple of cars waiting for valet parking. Doormen were there to open doors, and the lobby was small but opulent. Marble walls, warm lighting, plenty of seating, and a small but functioning main desk and concierge. The lobby is also where you'll find the on-site restaurant, Chop Steakhouse. Let's take a look at our room. Hey guys, we just entered our room at the Sutton Place.
We're in room 1302 on the 13th floor. Yes, there are 13 floors in hotels. It's just one of the standard rooms here at the Sutton Place. Sutton Place is one of the newer hotels in downtown Halifax. This is the site when you first entered the room. It's not that large, but you are met visually with a floor-to-ceiling window. We'll get to that in a second, but first I know you want to check out this.
Guys, this is the ultimate mirror. Usually they're square, but this one's actually this huge round mirror. You get a full view of just everything, your outfit, your looks, all of it. It's fantastic.
Behind us is the bathroom. Should we check that out?
I think so.
Here we go.
Double doors to get in, so you know this is luxury.
It's gonna be good. Whoa.
Wow. Now this is something else.
Gold trimmings. It's a warm light here, so it doesn't feel too cold or...
It feels so cozy and luxurious.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, this is, I almost want to speak quietly because I'm just so...
There is an echo in here.
It is a gorgeous shower. You have spots to put in your appliances.
Oh, a little seat.
Little seat. Or if this is where you wash your feet, look at that rain shower head.
Nice and gold. Everything's gold.
Everything's gold. We also have the handheld shower.
It works.
We've got a lovely sink, a little mirror there. Hello. And some, standard looking products. I've never really heard of these products before.
Gilchrist and Soames.
It's from London, England, so I feel like I trust it. Lots of towels at the bottom of the sink. And this is great too, to make sure that we don't slip in the shower. It looks like it's newer.
And one thing I noticed is there's no toilet in here.
Where's the toilet?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, what is this?
No toilet.
A separate room, a water closet for your...
No. You thought there was no
Nice and clean. Nice little waterwork. Can you close it on me?
I want to see if I can see you.
I can see me, I can't see you, so it's nice and
I
private.
can't see you fully, so yes, nice and private. One person could shower, one person could do their business.
And another person could brush their teeth.
Brush their teeth.
Now look at this crown jewel.
No, I won't see one over here. We might need to share.
No, there's got to be another one. We'll tear this room apart to find a second row.
This looks luxurious for sure.
Yeah. When we open up the closet, we've
Got our coats already hung up, but it's got the ironing board. You know it's a nice place when the hangers come off the coat hanger.
Yeah, exactly.
And look at this. Most importantly, another tote rope.
Perfect. We got some drawers here as well to put in any sort of smaller items. Socks, underwears if you're here for a longer stay.
And then this is where you're going to be spending the night. Your nice big king-size bed. Artwork on the wall. Splash of color.
You also have the chandelier above the bed, which I don't even think I've ever seen a hotel with overhead lighting, let alone a chandelier.
Bed
Very,
looks
very
clean.
nice.
Side tables come with a couple of plugs and USB ports to charge your devices. This futuristic looking phone. I think it's a phone. Let me see.
Oh, no, you're
No,
absolutely
it's a
right.
phone.
The remote's right.
Sorry.
The vanity desk area. So we've got a light. There is a radio, clock radio.
Yep, clock radio, alarm clock.
Some plugins there as well. The remote, flat screen TV.
Should we test it out?
Of course.
Gotta see if it works. Oh, that was not what we expected to see. So it's got a touchless hotel directory. You can order room service from your TV.
Yeah, pretty easy to use. You got all the local channels.
Some Sutton Place stationery and some more plugs and USB chargers hidden.
I'm very excited about this place over here. I wonder what's in.
Oh, okay. I thought it was just more storage.
Goodness.
Got the mini bar. You've got an espresso machine.
Wow.
There's your selection of foods. Coming down here, there's some beers and some wines. Safety deposit box. And then a mini fridge for stuff that you're bringing in. So let's look at the prices. So beverages range between $9 to $10 for the alcoholic beverages, which would be pretty standard from what you would find at a restaurant or a bar downtown. You'd be starting at around $10 for a beer, and then snacks around $5 and up. There's a view of Halifax. It sits right back from Citadel Hill, one of the most popular tourist destinations in downtown Halifax, next to the waterfront. And then you can even see from the bedroom the famed Halifax clock tower.
Can't deny this is an amazing view.
And this is what this view looks like at night.
Wow, this is even better at night. Absolutely amazing.
And finally, there's a little sitting area.
Let me sit down. Let me test it out. This seat's very nice.
Bed test time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's comfy.
How is it?
It is comfy. It's definitely. It's not that firm. Not the most comfy bed I've ever slept in, but still, it'll do the job tonight. I think I won't have any trouble falling asleep. Can you do me a favor? Can you test if this is a good bed to jump on? Is this bed kid approved?
Not very guilty.
We'll have to call the manager.
Other amenities include an on-site fitness center complete with weights, machines, and treadmills with a view of Citadel Hill. There's an outdoor patio and hot tub that is open during the warmer months. On-site parking and pet-friendly suites are also available.
Would you stay at the Sutton Place Hotel again?
Yes, I definitely would, but not with a kid. This is definitely a fantastic place to stay for couples, maybe a girls' trip. It's so beautiful and opulent. It is not very family friendly.
The doors to the bathroom were one of the big things that we caught. Like, they were not lockable. There were 2 double doors that you can just pull open and close at any time. So if you were showering, anybody could have walked in at any moment.
Exactly. And while the toilet room itself had its own door, so there's 2 doors to get there, somehow our child was able to get through both doors to tickle my feet while I was using the washroom.
There's also not a lot of things there for kids. If you're looking for extra amenities like a pool, no on-site pool, just the hot tub, which can be closed depending on what season you travel in. But other than that, the room was nice and comfortable. The view of Citadel Hill was great, and it was close to nearly everything. We didn't have to walk too far, and with it being January when we traveled and we were cold, it was cold outside, we liked to be able to be within 5 to 10 minutes walking of everything that we needed to do.
And now for how much we paid. For our one-night stay in a standard king room, we paid 210 Canadian dollars, which is around 158 US dollars.
The Sutton Place Hotel offers you a high-quality, modern experience for a moderate budget. It's not the most expensive hotel in the city, and it will put you right in the center of all the action.
If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Halifax hotel reviews and travel content.
And while you're here, check out our review of the Lord Nelson Hotel and Suites just a couple streets up from the Sutton Place Hotel by clicking the video on the screen.